Hey friends, it's Barry, and today I want to solve this algebra challenge with you. So we have x multiplied by y plus 2 equals 800, and we have y multiplied by x plus 2 equals 60. So this is a system of simultaneous equations in two unknowns. We have x and y's, okay? And we want to find what x minus y is. So before we begin, notice that we are asked to find x minus y instead of the individual values of x and y. So let's keep that in mind and try and solve it. So I'm going to expand the brackets for the first one. So we have x multiplied by y and then plus 2 multiplied by x, and that equals 100. Then we do the same thing for the second equation. So we have yx plus 2y, and that gives us 60. So notice that xy and yx, they are the same thing. So I was thinking if we subtract these two equations, we can get rid of the xy's. So let's try that. So xy plus 2x minus yx plus 2y. Well, the xy's, they cancel out, so we are left with 2x minus 2y, okay? So 2x minus 2y is equal to 100 minus 60. So 100 minus 60, that is 40. And on the left-hand side, we can factor out the common factor, the 2's. So we have 2x minus y. Now at this point, we clearly see that we can find the answer by dividing 2 on both sides, okay? So we have x minus y equals 40 divided by 2, and that is the number 20. So that's the answer for our question. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.